Hey, I've noticed that these Gen 4, the DoD oil towers, the AFM oil distribution towers that you buy plugs for, it's actually, most of them are just bearing inserts. They work phenomenally well. I bought a couple sets at like 25 bucks, comes with 8 of them. Or you can buy a whole bearing and it comes with 20 plus, and the bearing is $13. So it's quite a cheaper alternative. But if you've ever bought these things online, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. They're just a tapered roller bearing when you buy them online, usually. Cheap ones, anyway. So, yeah, just buy this bearing, tear it apart, get the rollers out of it. Let me get a part number for you. Trying to get a part number for you. There it is. Anyway, I just Amazoned that bearing and took it apart. They work phenomenally well. Just tap them in flush. It don't take a lot of effort. There you go. Done deal. Anyway, that's just a cheap alternative to these damn plugs you can buy online. One bearing, it was like 13 bucks, and I got enough to do another one. Anyway, you're just left with some scrap metal, but here's another thing, this tapered bearing race. If you ever do a lot of ball joints, this works really good for a spacer for your ball joint press. Works really well. So keep this around. Anyway, talk to y'all later.